Hello everyone, my name is Nadav Naim and along with Guy Finkelstein we're excited to introduce our project, CourtSide Tracker. This is a web and mobile app we built for amateur basketball leagues that enables live stat tracking and fan interaction. CourtSide Tracker was inspired by our own experience playing in local basketball leagues. These leagues often don't have any kind of system for tracking player stats or even recording final scores. So we created a platform that allows real-time stat tracking, fan updates, and full league dashboards, all accessible from your phone or computer. The problem is simple. Most amateur leagues lack the tools to properly track games or engage fans. Without recorded stats or live updates, it's hard for players to track performance or for fans to follow games. We saw a need for a lightweight, easy-to-use app that brings pro-level features to community leagues. Our main goals were to make the app simple, useful, and affordable. We wanted to track live stats like points, assists, and rebounds, automatically update leaderboards, provide dashboards for organizers, and include fun fan features like MVP voting. Everything had to work smoothly on both mobile and desktop. In this slide we can take a look at the system's structure. We designed three core views: the game tracker for scorekeepers, the league dashboard for organizers, and the fan view for public access. We used Firebase for authentication, data storage, and cloud functions, which helped us keep everything in sync in real time. Our architecture consists of four main layers. The user interface is built using React for web and React Native for mobile. The game engine handles live input and stat updates. Our Firebase database stores everything, and we use APIs to send and retrieve data. We also created UML diagrams to map out how users interact with the system and how data flows between modules. Testing was done in three stages. First, we wrote unit tests for core features like stat entry. Then we ran integration tests to make sure the system updates correctly in real time. Finally, we did user testing by simulating real games and getting feedback from actual players and organizers. We tested features like live updates, game ending logic, and leaderboard accuracy. To build the app, we used React Native for cross-platform mobile development. Firebase handles data and authentication. Figma helped us design the interface, and GitHub allowed us to work together and track changes. These tools made development faster and more efficient. In this slide we can see the four main components of CourtSide Tracker. First, authentication, which lets different users log in securely. Second, scorekeeping, which updates stats during live games. Third, the stat engine, which calculates player performance in real time. And finally, the fan viewer, which lets fans follow games live and see stats from anywhere. That wraps up our presentation. Thank you for listening. We had a lot of fun working on this, and we hope CourtSide Tracker brings more excitement and organization to local basketball leagues.